Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is definitely going to be a long one. Grab yourself some snacks, some popcorn, and drinks. If you plan on sticking through this whole video, you're going to be here for a while. This is going to kind of be like a 3-in-1 video. Not only am I going to be transitioning my summer wardrobe into my fall wardrobe, but I'm going to be decluttering along the way. I just have incredibly way too many clothes, like for the small space of storage that I have in my room. And it's also going to be a updated closet tour. I bought in some new like furniture since the last time I showed you guys my closet, just because I needed more storage. And let me just show you right now. Okay, so over here I have these like plastic bins. They're obviously not the best looking, but it was the only thing that fit for the space. My closet is really awkward, and not only do I have like a skinny space here, but I have like this awkward like space that I can't get to because there's like a wall here. So when I have clothes hung over here, I can't even like get to them. And I actually did buy a matching set from IKEA with these drawers. I'll show you guys right now. I literally bought it and everything. For those of you who don't know, IKEA is a good hour and a half away from my house. So not only did I buy the furniture, but I built it just to find out that it doesn't even fit in my closet. The measurements fit, but since there's like that awkward space, the drawers can't open all the way, you know? Like it fits in the closet, but the drawers can't even open. So you already know I wasn't about to drive an hour to disassemble and return it. So it is here sitting in my parents' closet. I just figured it's a really nice drawer. I already spent the money and put the time in to build it, so I'm just gonna keep it for when I move out. So it's kind of just sitting in here and they're using it for storage for now. So this is what we're working with for now. I know it's not the best looking, but it's definitely the most practical for now. They were super cheap from Target, so I don't even care if I like throw them out or get rid of them whenever I move out. It's actually 2 drawers on top of each other, 3 sets of drawers. I used to never transition my fall and my summer wardrobe. I just used to all have it in one closet, which it was so cluttered, so disorganized, and I couldn't stand it. So this year is the first year that I'm like starting the transitioning, so I bought a bunch of storage boxes and put my big fall hoodies and sweaters and cardigans and stuff that I'm obviously not going to be wearing in the summer in my attic, which is why the pole's down, because I need to take the pole down to get into my attic, which is right there. But this is what we're looking like on my bed. I just did my wash, I put everything away, I folded it all, so I know everything that I own is literally in this room right now. Someone always, of course, manages to find a spot on my messy bed. So this has all of my fuzzy jackets and cardigans. This has all of my scarves, boots, earmuffs, and accessories. And then this is all of my like big bulky stuff, like my puffer jackets. I have jean jackets in here, leather jackets, winter coats, stuff like that. This right here is all the clothes that I've had hung up for summer, so like short sleeves, crop tops. And then I also have this 6-drawer organizer, which has all of like basically my pants in it, like all my sweatpants, leggings, jeans, and stuff like that. All these other drawers are year-round except for this one, which is skirts and jean shorts, so I might change just this one out. This video is probably already 10 minutes long, and I've just explained like the basis of how my closet is set up and what I'm going to be doing, so bear with me. I was inspired to do this, by the way, from like all my fall decor, and also the weather is starting to get colder by the day, so it's gotta get done Sunday. Okay, I'm just gonna start by like taking all my summer stuff off the hanger so I can just take this stuff right out the bins and hang it up. You guys already know I'm super particular with my wardrobe. Also, I have to have like one of each color, so like this is a white Brandy Melville Crops hoodie, this is a gray one, and this is a black one. Like it has to be the same size, same brand, one in white, gray, and black. Same with my hoodies. Look, Forever 21, white, gray, black, all size small. You guys see a pattern yet? White, North Face, gray, black. My cat over here is like trying to go to sleep like during all this ruckus, and she just like can't peacefully go to sleep. All the hangers that I have are now free, so I'm gonna dive into the big box down there because that's where I have all of my long coats and all that. Oh my god. Literally look, this big tub is like packed to the brim. Okay. I feel like I all have like reasonable stuff. Like I don't just have stuff to keep it. Like I have a light jean jacket, a dark jean jacket, and a white one. Like, you guys, I just got this at Plato's a couple days ago. Look how freaking cute. Not only is it a pink puffer jacket, but it was Michael Kors. You guys, it was only $50. Like I was blown away. It's in like brand new condition. So cute. I have a love-hate relationship with this jacket. Like I don't even know. Like I feel like it's not my style anymore. Like, it's so cute though, but like, am I gonna wear it compared to all this other like cute stuff I have? I don't know. This is what I always do every time I declutter. I'll keep it, and if I don't wear it by the end of the winter, like more than 3 times, I'm getting rid of it. If I wore it less than 3 times, it clearly doesn't deserve this space in my closet. This is like my ride or die winter coat. This is what I wear like literally every single day when it gets like snowing cold. This is so cute. It's Boohoo. I literally got it at a yard sale for like $1.50. Okay, this is so cute though. It's really similar to my Michael Kors. We'll keep it. And then I just have a white and a black puffer vest. These are super cute to throw over long sleeves. I actually do wear these a lot, so these are probably, I don't know, I want to hang them up with all my other puffer coats, but if there's not enough room, they definitely will fit in the drawers. So I'm gonna start putting all my jackets on the hangers. I'm gonna start hanging up all the big bulky stuff and see how much room I have left to determine if I can hang anything else up. Oh my god, that's already taken up like half the space, and there's only 2 jackets in there. I actually think we'll be able to get away with putting this jean jacket in with the other ones, since the other ones are thinner. They're going in the drawers. This one can probably fit too. I don't know. I'm gonna be really mad if I end up wearing the same 4 outfits like all winter like I always do. Like, I literally spent all summer shopping for cute winter clothes, and like, just look how freaking cute this would make it as an outfit, and like, I can guarantee you I'm not gonna wear it. Before winter, I need to spend all day on Pinterest and just saving a bunch of outfit ideas with the pieces that I have, so I can like just have outfit ideas ready, because I feel like a lot of my problem is I feel like I don't have enough time to pick out an outfit. So if I already have like one pre-planned, I'll actually wear it, because I wear the same things because I already know it looks good together, so I don't have to like waste time like trying on different things together, versus if I have it like already in a Pinterest board, I'll be able to just like put it together and go. I think that's all I'm gonna hang up. I do have some more like space to hang stuff up, but I don't want to run it like right into the drawers. Also, I still need to be able to like get in and out of my attic, you know. I'm also going to hang up just my North Faces, no hoodies, windbreakers, or anything else. Just these, because I feel like I grab these like almost every day to like either throw over something or layer with something. And I just like wear these literally every day in the winter. I definitely still have enough room to open my drawers all the way, so I'm going to now start emptying these. That has all of my like bodysuits, tank tops, tube tops, all that. The good thing is this is going to be really easy to pack away, because I already categorized it when I put them into these bins. So this drawer, for example, was all of my tank tops, and then the next drawer is all of like my tube tops. So it's going to be easy to pack away, especially because it's already folded. It only fit if I put it in sideways, so all my jean jackets fit in here. Perfect, so this drawer is done. Next is the tube tops, and also I forgot that my dresses were also in this drawer as well. I also have my plain hoodie drawer, my neutrals, black, gray, and white. I have my regular hoodies here, and then my cropped ones from Brandy Melville over here. I'm gonna now go through this drawer down here, which is my skirts and jean shorts. Now that this drawer is empty, I think I'm actually gonna put my long sleeve shirts in here, just because I want to have all my jackets in the closet, and then my long sleeves are kind of not a jacket obviously, so those will go out here perfect. So here's all of my long sleeves. I put away all my long sleeves, and I still have like an extra space because I don't have like a lot of long sleeves. So I'm gonna try and think of something that I don't have like a lot of that I could just like put in there. I'm gonna put all my quarter zips in there because these aren't like technically jackets either, so I feel like it fits with long sleeves perfectly. Look how freaking cute this is, you guys. I have like such cute stuff, and I just like forgot about it obviously because it was up in storage for summer, and I'm so excited for fall fashion. I just decluttered all this from my jean drawer. These are all jeans, just different sizes, different styles and stuff. I did go to Plato's like last week, and I bought like so many new jeans just because I needed new ones. I was outgrowing these. Like, I don't know, the waist fits me, but like my thighs just like don't fit in these anymore. Like they literally bulge out of the rips. So I just wanted a more comfier style jeans. So I literally went to Plato's. I bought all these new jeans and I spent over like $200 on them just because I got so many pairs. I'm gonna be doing a haul, whether that goes up before or after this video, probably before. I'll link it down below. But all the clothes that I'm going to be decluttering and getting rid of in this video, I'm not actually getting rid of them. I'm just going to be selling them on my Poshmark, so you guys can follow that down below and buy these items if you guys are my sizes, like 0, 00, 1, as well as some shoes that I'm decluttering as well. This next drawer, I really need to declutter. This is like my most full drawer. It has all of my like work shirts in it. Obviously my job I can't wear nice clothes to just because I work with chemicals and bleach and stuff and they'll get messed up. So I literally have like a whole drawer dedicated to just shirts that are already messed up or shirts that I don't care if they get messed up or whatever. A bunch of these are kind of like these types of tees, like the Gildan shirts, college merch. Literally couldn't even tell you what college this was. Okay, I now have my work shirts drawer. Next drawer is all of my work hoodies, so like just a bunch of random college hoodies that I don't care if I get them messed up. Okay, I only have 2 more drawers left to fill, and I literally have that whole box and this whole box of stuff right here. So these are all my like fluffy jackets. This one that has all my scarves and boots, accessories and stuff is actually gonna all stay in here. There is an area in my attic like to the left when I open the door that is very accessible to just easily open it and grab whatever's in it. So if I keep it in here, I feel like I'll just be able to put this in and out of my attic and just take whatever I need out of it. That way it doesn't take up any more drawers because I actually ran out of drawers already, so, and hanger space. So. Like over here is where I'm talking about is accessible, if you guys can like see. As you can see, my attic is like a crawl space, by the way, so it's not like an area that I could like use as extra storage. That's why I put them in bins so they stay clean and stuff. And then over here I have my Uggs, which are just easily accessible right here. Like I can just like reach in and grab some. This wash basket is just full of all the stuff that I'm selling, so keep updated on my Poshmark and follow me so you can see whenever I list the stuff. This is all the stuff that's getting hung. I just had to take the pole down to like get up here. I don't have to take this pole down every time I want to get in here. Like when the clothes are hanging and I just need to get like in here, that's fine. But it's when I have to put like the boxes in, because obviously the box like this is right in the middle of the door, so the boxes can't like fit in it with the pole there. I'm also going to be swapping out my shoes because I have a lot of flip-flops and stuff that I'm not going to be wearing obviously when it's snowing. So I need just like more storage for my boots and stuff. I have all my boots up here right now. I also have these Burberry boots that need to go somewhere. Oh, she's still over here bearing with me even though I'm being like so noisy. So now in here is organized. I have all my sneakers on the left and then all my boots on the right. I wanted to move my Uggs out of the attic just mainly because I do wear these probably the most in the winter time. Like my Burberry like rain boots I wear, but not as often, so those can go in the attic, so they're accessible but not for like every day. And then under this I do have like more dressy boots. I have thigh-high boots, heel booties. These heels are going to be going away along with all of this other stuff except for these fuzzy slides I like wearing around the house, so I'm probably just going to keep a white, gray, and black pair in here instead. I am finally finished. I'm now going to show you guys what I put in these drawers just because towards the end I did kind of jump cut to it being finished just because I knew that it would just be way too long of a video, and it doesn't need to be any longer than it already is. So hanging up, I have all of my puffy winter coats and my North Faces that I wear every day. So in the first drawer, I put all of my work shirts because I do wear those the most. And then I have my work hoodies. The third drawer is all of my plain hoodies. Fourth drawer is all of my like fuzzy hoodies. I only have 3 of these, but they're so like big that they take up the whole drawer. So this took up a lot of space in itself. I knew it would be hard to kind of make everything fit, even with like 6 extra additional storage drawers. Fifth drawer is all of my jean jackets. And then down here is all of my like long sleeves and sweaters. These aren't the long sleeves that I put in the drawer over there though. Those over there are cropped long sleeves, and these are just like regular ones that are actually going to keep you warm. Sweaters, cardigans. I also have turtlenecks and like a flannel down at the bottom there. So everything fits in there really nice. And then this drawer, I have all of my long sleeves over here. Like I said, these are the cropped ones or bodysuits. I have more jackets that kind of overflowed over here, and then all of my windbreakers I did end up putting in here just because I didn't expect those puffy jackets to take up an entire drawer. So I ran out of drawers, so I kind of had to put everything in here, but it still fits and looks nice. These long sleeves weren't enough to fill up this entire drawer anyways. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I think it's super organized. I'm really glad I finished before I had to go to work. That way I didn't have to like jump cut to a different day of me like finishing it. I'm really happy that I finally got this out of the way. I've been wanting to do this for the last like week or two. So yeah, that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what your favorite season is. I think mine's definitely fall. It's been summer for the longest, but the older I'm getting, the more I can like not handle the heat. So I'm so excited for this winter. I'm definitely going to be doing some fall and winter lookbooks, so stay tuned for those. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.